So basically my experiences through dentistry has been very hard with a lot of different diagnoses that I've been told. Not sure exactly what to do with my teeth. I was told one way to do things, and coming here I've been told basically how to really protect my teeth, and got an excellent explanation on how to take care of everything that I need to take care of so that I don't have to come back to the dentist for a long period of time. When I came in, she gave me a treatment plan. She said we have plenty of options to do. I didn't just have to go through these, do the root canals, which I was extremely afraid of. It was avoid root canal is exactly what I wanted. And she told me a lot of these options that I could go through and help myself to prevent that. Her techniques are phenomenal. No sedatives, no gas, nothing like that, and just a calming atmosphere here. I've been told basically how to really protect my teeth and everything that she's been teaching me to help prevent a lot of the decay, so I don't have to go through these processes of root canals and extractions, to empower myself, to help me in the end. So I'm not, consistently coming in for, extra work for the post, crown, core, and that really can help my teeth and my wallet, for sure. It's preventative care with certain techniques to help prevent cavities, reduce some of the acidity in my mouth through diet, and just the gums in general. Certain techniques that she had used because I had bad fillings. They were all leaking and I had no education on any of the leaking fillings. Basically all the sensitivity that was going on in my mouth, I had no idea why. And then when she had explained to me the techniques to help clean those fillings out and not have to worry about getting root canals on all my teeth, to help prevent that so that I didn't have to go through that pain, and saving me money in the same process, obviously. Just having the experience of what I would call the hot tooth that I was told was extremely painful. I was petrified, and that's what kind of steered me away from dentistry in general, because I just wasn't told certain things. But when I came here, just seeing the dentistry and the type of things that she does so that I don't have to go through that is basically a lifesaver for me.